Hi guys, Light here. In today's video, we're going to check out iOS 14.2 Beta 4 on the iPad 6. So, the change right here is actually inside settings. So if we open the settings app, and if we scroll down to wallpaper settings, choose a new wallpaper, and go to stills. And if we scroll down again, you will see here a new set of wallpapers for the iPad. So the nice thing about these wallpapers is that it's similar to the ones that you get on the Mac, wherein the wallpaper does adjust accordingly by the appearance that you have set on your device. So you do get a nice day view and a night view of that wallpaper when toggling. With that being said, let's check out the night view of this wallpaper on dark mode. So here we have the dark mode of the wallpaper. You can even see here the stars on the top. Alright, now let's check out the next wallpaper. So we have here a tree. And here is how it looks like on day view. Now we have the next wallpaper, which is a rock formation. Changing it up. Here we get the night view again with the stars. And here is the next one. And we also get illustrated wallpapers like this one. And here's the next one. And here we have some kind of desert illustration. And we have the shoreline. So those were the new wallpapers in iOS 14.2, which I think is nice if you're someone like me who has their appearance to automatically change depending on the time of the day. Also, if we run a performance test on the iPad 6, which on our first test we'll be using Geekbench. So if we run a benchmark test on the iPad 6, we do get a score of 724 for single core and 1389 for multi-core. We're comparing that to the previous beta, which is beta 3. We do only get a score of 711 for single core and 1329 for multi-core. Which, going back to beta 4, if we run a test using Antutu benchmark, we do get a score of 224,750 for the iPad 6. We're comparing that to the previous beta, which is beta 3. We got the score of 224,906. Also, unfortunately, there is a known issue on beta 4 where you cannot play or even reply to intercom messages, but hopefully we'll get that in a future update to be fixed. And also, speaking of the update, looks like we're already in the A builds. That means we're only just a couple of builds away to get the new and amazing features of iOS 14.2 available on the iPad 6. So, as always guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe for more.